So one cool feature that I always wanted to do in the Fanuc but never had the time is the path graphics, right? So you can actually see if your what you're doing is going to turn out all right. Today I have this logo that I'm doing, and I always wondered how to do that. So here we go. So of course you can do that with the machine being live, meaning like the all axes working and everything. I have just the 4th axis set up today. It's the 5X machine. So first of all, I come over here and I zero the machine. So every time I transition from machine lock, which by the way, machine lock just means that the axes are not going to move. But I still gonna have like kind of the machine is gonna simulate that all axes are moving, right? So basically, you just load your program and everything, and then you hit cycle start, and then you can kind of see what the machine is gonna do. Now. You can change the colors, and I'm going to show you how you can set this up. As you can see, it's this piece here is not moving a whole lot, so about like 0.6 on the X and Y. So click on parameters, and then choose your area, your working area, right? The X, the Y, the Z. The scale, the higher this number, the more zoom in is going to be. And then just the center. Where do you want your graphics to center? Now, on top, the number 5 is the 3 axes, right? So you can get the X, Y, Z, right? But if you want to just two-dimensional, you could change this to 0, which is XY, or YZ is 1, ZY is 2, so on and so forth. Now, don't forget to go to your next page, and then here you can have an auto erase, which I like it a lot, and then you can put your colors. So I chose for the rapids to be 1, which is red, and then yellow is gonna be my normal feed. And then I haven't played with rotation yet, but there it is. So since I already showed you one, let's just change this real quick to just 0 here. I'm gonna put 0 input. And now let's go back to graphics, and let's see the machine do that in just two-dimensional. So, and here it is. Here it is. I'm even surprised this is in dry run, which is supposed to be a lot faster. So I guess I have a real slow RPM in there. But just to reiterate, I put dry run, machine lock, and there it is. Hope this helps.